Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing min-gww64 so GCC and G++ exist on your system. This is required to compile code that uses Graphics.h. Once installed, copy the graphics. H header into min-gw's include folder and the accompanying. Or lib files into the lib folder, because the compiler needs both header and library at link time. Then update your path to include min-gw's, bin directory, and run GCC version to confirm the toolchain is active before moving into VS Code. Now you configure VS Code so the editor and build system find Graphics.h and link the graphics library. Open CPP properties. JSON and add min-gw's include path so IntelliSense resolves the header. Next, create tasks. JSON with a compile task using I for include and L+L graphics for linking. For example, GCC main, CO main IC, \min-gw \include LC, \min-gw \lib L graphics. Once done, use launch JSON or the integrated terminal to run the produced exe and iterate quickly. Finish by building and running your program. Execute the generated exe from VS Code's terminal so you see runtime output immediately. If you get undefined reference errors, make sure the library name passed to the linker matches the distributed lib and that min-gw architecture, 32 versus 64-bit, matches the library. Also double-check include and lib paths for typos and confirm path points to the min-gw bin you configured. This single troubleshooting step resolves most build failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.